This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I just want to show you a really quick way that you can make a lipstick, and I use TKB's pre-made lipstick base. So what I want to do is turn on my gram scale, put the cup on. These are just some little medicine cups I like to use. And you're going to hit your tare button, and then I want to measure out 4 grams, 4 grams of TKB's lipstick base. Put that in there. Need a smidge more. Okay, come off the spoon. Okay. That's close enough. Okay, so what I did was I took some of the TKB lipstick base and just put it in this cup. Just makes it easier for me to dispense. And I store a lot of things in these. So once I've measured out the 4 grams, I'll put that aside. And then the second thing I would measure out is the, I'm gonna get a little cup, hit my tare button again. And the second thing I would measure out would be my color grind. So I'm going to put the cup, hit my tare button. And this is a color grind I've already made. This is my New Orleans Potions Pink. I just want to show you how you measure it out. Let's see, one of my little spoons. So at this point, I'm going to use 0.75 grams. And I just need a smidge more. Okay. So once you do that, then what I would do is I would take the TKB base with my 0.75 grams of lip color grind, and I would dissolve this wax first, and then I will put the color in, and then I will just stir until everything is completely blended. And then once I do that, then the last thing I do is right before I finish the lipstick, I will use some castor oil, and I will put 3 drops in the finished lipstick. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this in a double boiler, and then when it's almost to the end where it's almost completely done, I'll put 3 drops of castor oil and then stir it really well. And then what you'll do is you'll take like a Q-tip and get a little coconut oil, and you'll swab the inside of your lipstick mold. That's to make sure that so you can easily remove it. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and this is how I use TKB's pre-made lipstick base. So that would be 4 grams of their base, 0.75 of a lip grind color, and then once you've melted everything together towards the end, you'll put 3 drops of castor oil. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions.